Lines are important. Be gentle on the brake and also look as far as you can. I'm your safety buddy Anirban. You're watching NDTV AutoMate, and today I'm going to share a few riding tips that you can follow if you are traveling in the hills on a two-wheeler. The thumb rule of safe riding has to be maintaining safe lane riding, and it becomes non-negotiable in the hills, especially if you're overtaking. No overtakes in blind curves, and also try to be in your lane. Do not jump lanes. Ride gear selection is often key to a safe ride in the hills. Often advisable is to drop a gear and ride. Uphill, it allows you to extract better bottom end torque, and downhill, it lets the engine's braking force to add to the regular stopping power of the brakes. Ground rule set: never coast in neutral on a decline. Winding open roads, well, exciting, aren't they? But that is where the moment of slippage happens. You have to be extra cautious with your body positioning. Often, the way you lean sitting on the motorcycle is all that makes a lot of difference. Look as far as you can. Do not have a shallow view. When you are hitting into a curve, do not change gears. Slow down before you hit the curve. Maintain the speed. Safe speeds are sacrosanct. Accelerate the vehicle only when you are confident, not under peer pressure. Also important in the hills is to keep an eye on the signages. Hairpin bends, constricted lanes, or even steep elevation changes, which can be a momentum breaker, need to be looked at even more carefully. The next big question: which brakes to apply and when? Should you be over-reliant on the front brakes? Well, that's the case mostly in our day-to-day riding. But on the hills, when there is an incline, all that matters is your momentum. If you're going downhill, it means front brakes have to have the most force of application. But if you are on the incline, your body weight is more towards the rear section, the traction is more towards the rear wheels. There is when the rear brakes come into effect. So choosing the brake at the right time, at the right place is also very key. Uneven loading of luggage can disturb the balance of your vehicle. Remember, it is just not you. Even your vehicle on twisties and bends is pushing its boundary to stay on its feet. From signages to speed, body position to braking at the right time, there are multiple forces which come into play, especially when you are traveling in the hills. Your thoughts on this episode of NDTV Auto Safety Buddy? I'd love to know in the comments box below.